Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to do a quick run through of like my pantry and my kitchen, like my fridge and my freezer and stuff, and show you guys what I bought for my new gluten-free life. So have a walk, have a walk, have a walk with me. Okay, I'm done. Alright, so I'm not 100% sure that like all this stuff is gluten-free. Still working some kinks out. I basically like renovated my pantry though. I took a lot of stuff out. So like on the bottom here I have a bunch of booze and stuff. Probably can't drink it because it's probably got gluten in it. But I got like some banana peppers, some beans. I have some red potatoes here. Corn tortillas are life because you can't have flour anymore. Some more beans. It's really dark in here. I apologize. Pace is a gluten-free, right there. Pace is a gluten-free salsa brand. Prego, I don't know if all of their salsa is gluten-free. Salsa, what is this stuff called? What is this called? Tomato sauce, right? But this one is, so yay for that. These are amazing. These are, I can't say that brand, Shikar gluten-free pizza crust. They have these at Jewel and Walmart actually. I got these at Trader Joe's. These are gluten-free crispy crunchy chocolate chip cookies. These I got at Walmart. These are some sandwich cookies. These Glutino, I think they're called. I got these at Jewel. Jewel carries that brand. I haven't seen that brand anywhere else. I'm probably wrong. I had some taco gluten-free. I know most spices from McCormick are gluten-free, but I was being lazy, so I got that. This is like a little thing I wanted to try. It was little wafers from that same brand. I have some more beans. A lot of these Zatarain's rices are gluten-free also. You just have to look at the packaging because it's not all, but some. Chicken stock gluten-free. These are tortilla corn chips from Trader Joe's. Now they're not, there's no gluten-containing ingredients in them, but I don't know. I'm still working out to figure out if I can have those or not. These I was eating previously before the gluten-free thing, and I found out they were gluten-free, so I was super excited. The corn taco shells back there are gluten-free. Some spray oils from Crisco. I found out Crisco does not cross-contaminate. Just some extra oils that I have back there. Some more Zatarain's, gluten-free. Some fruit. These are some pastas I just picked up. This is Barilla. I don't know how to say that. But these are penne and spaghetti. Great Value has macaroni and cheese and shells. I got some cookie mix and some brownie mix. So I was excited. My coffee up there. Then I got some pancake and waffle mix that's gluten-free. And then my stash of rice because rice is everything. These are some gluten-free and non-dairy cookies I picked up at Jewel to try from Pamela's. They're not very good. I didn't realize they were dairy-free too. But it was just like, when I tried them, let me put this stuff back. Like, they kind of just taste like, I don't know. I can't really explain it. But it wasn't like a good thing. Here's my fridge. It's not clean. It's not any of those things. I just want to run through what I have. So I have some pepperoni to snack on because it's gluten-free. Diet Coke. I don't know if it is or not because it's a flavored one. It was in here from before. Heinz organic ketchup. I found this Walden Farms Bacon Ranch. It's really good. It's gluten-free. Coffee Mate, of course. I'm trying to run through that so I stopped using it. My salsa. The Just Mayo. This ranch, it's for guests, not for me. I'm not using it. Sour cream. Haven't had any issues with this yet. This is really high in fat. I don't really use it ever. Just some cold brew coffee, some pasta sauce, corn tortillas, my water from Trader Joe's, and some unsweetened almond milk. And then over here I have a bunch of mushrooms, some cabbage, some orange thingies. They're too sweet. I don't really care for them. I'm not going to end up eating them. Then I have some hard-boiled eggs in the front. Then there's some raw eggs in the back there. And then here, oh, and that's just some like veggies cut up and a pre-made meal that I had made previously. I just have some chicken broth, some celery, some tomatoes, some cucumbers. There's peppers in the back there. And I have some carrots, a lot of lettuce. Lettuce in a container, ranch in a container, some spinach. And then my proteins, I have a bunch of chicken, and then I have a bunch of ground turkey, and I have some salmon on top there, and some sausage for some pizzas. Oh, and then my gluten-free cheap butter that I love. And then in my freezer, it's very simple. I have some spinach, some of the udi bread, some Brussels sprouts, rice cauliflower from Trader Joe's. I don't know what this is. I probably can't eat it anymore. This is old. Some carrot spirals. I just have some veggie mixes. More veggie mix. This is that Aldi's brand. It's like chicken broccoli Alfredo. Pretty decent. And they have this, it's like Hot Pockets too. This has gluten in it. I just have to give it away. It was in my fridge from before. Some more chicken, some salmon I haven't used yet. This is a turkey tenderloin. These are all the veggie patties I had previously that I can't have anymore. So those are just sitting in there until I give them to somebody. This pizza crust is not gluten-free either, so I have to give this away also. This cauliflower pizza crust from Trader Joe's is gluten-free, so I'm going to keep that. Then some of these chocolate bars. These are the 3 flavors that Trader Joe's has. I think it's raspberry, espresso, and this one's just plain chocolate. And these are gluten-free. Right there. Oh, where'd it go? They are gluten-free. And then I just have some backup ground turkeys that I put in the freezer. Some more broccoli and some more veg. And that's it, guys. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any ideas for me, any inspiration. I would really appreciate it. Alright, guys. Bye.